In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light bulbs on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located in the front bumper at the base. Let's get into it. I'm using a 8mm socket. We're going to take these screws out. There's 3 in this vehicle. There should be another one right there. Take those out. And you want to grab the panel and you just push it back. You can reach up underneath. Now you can see the bulb in the back of the housing. We're going to disconnect the connector. There's 2 tabs. Just push down on the tabs. Slide that off. You want to grab the bulb, twist it to the left, and it comes right out. Take the new bulb. It's important to not touch the glass part of the bulb. It's a good idea to wear gloves just in case. The reason you don't want to do that is because the oils in your skin will cause the bulb to burn out faster. Get that to line up. Twist it. And push the connector on. Take the inner fender well. Get this lined up again. In place, get the screws started. Snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.